Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Bolognese sauce. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of ground pork, 1 28-ounce can of plum tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1/2 cup of red wine, 1 15-ounce can of chicken broth, 4 slices of bacon, 1 medium onion, 2 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, Parmesan cheese and parsley for garnishing, and the pasta of your choice. For this recipe, I'll be using spaghetti. In a Dutch oven, cook the bacon until it is crispy and golden brown. Remove the bacon from the pot, then set it aside until later. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the pot, then sauté your onions, garlic, celery, and carrots. Now add the ground beef and ground pork. Season with the salt and pepper and continue browning. Return the bacon to the pot and add the tomatoes, then bring your sauce to a light simmer. Now add the tomato paste, chicken broth, and wine, and return the sauce to a light simmer. Season with the Italian seasoning, then cover, and allow the sauce to cook for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. After 1 hour, it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab